My name is Andy. Andrea, but everybody calls me Andy.
Poor you, poor Andy. Wake up, 6.
Yeah, I'm hearing this, and I want to hear this.
That's all.